Long life is a boon that every person on this earth would want to get somehow. There are certain places in the world where the life expectancy is as high as 81 to 90 years. Japanese are known to have the highest life expectancy in the world. From the diet they take to even the way they cook their food, the Japanese have their own secrets to live longer. So here are the top 5 key habits that keep the Japanese going. Number 1. Cooking food differently. Japanese cook their food using minimal oil, and different methods like slow cooking, broiling, steaming, fermenting, and even stir-frying are involved. The reason for choosing such methods is to retain the nutritional value of the ingredient they are using for the dish. Prolonged exposure to water, heat, and light may cause some foods to lose nutritional value. Vitamin C and many of the B vitamins are the most unstable nutrients when it comes to cooking. Because they're water-soluble, they leach out of vegetables into the cooking water. If you boil your vegetables or microwave using too much water, you'll end up with less thiamin, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and a lot less vitamin C. Water is the enemy when it comes to nutrient losses during cooking. That's why steaming is one of the best methods to preserve easily damaged nutrients. 2. They eat seafood every day. The Japanese love them a good fish. According to the National Marine Fisheries Service, Japanese seafood consumption was 55.7 kilograms per capita in the last year of data available. Fish is generally considered to be among the best foods you can eat for a healthy heart. Heart attacks and strokes are the 2 most common causes of premature death in the world. Researchers believe that the fatty types of fish are even more beneficial for heart health because of their high amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Depression is a serious and incredibly common mental disorder. Studies have found that people who eat fish regularly are much less likely to become depressed. It is characterized by low mood, sadness, decreased energy, and loss of interest in life and activist health problems. Fish is also great for eye health. A disease called macular degeneration is a leading cause of vision impairment and blindness, and mostly affects older individuals. There is some evidence that fish and omega-3 fatty acids may provide protection against this disease. In one study, regular consumption of fish was linked to a 42% lower risk of macular degeneration in women. Also, in the end, we will talk about some best healthy type of fish. 3. Exercise. They make physical activity a religious part of their daily activity. Exercise has been shown to improve your mood and decrease feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress. It produces changes in the parts of the brain that regulate stress and anxiety. It can also increase brain sensitivity for the hormones serotonin and norepinephrine, which relieve feelings of depression. Additionally, exercise can increase the production of endorphins, which are known to help produce positive feelings and reduce the perception of pain. In fact, a study in 24 women who had been diagnosed with depression showed that exercise of any intensity significantly decreased feelings of depression. Exercise plays a vital role in building and maintaining strong muscles and bones. Physical activity like lifting weight can stimulate muscle building when paired with adequate protein intake. This is because exercise helps release hormones that promote the ability of your muscles to absorb amino acids. This helps them grow and reduces their breakdown. 4. Green tea. Most of the tea they consume is green. Japan ranks amongst the top 10 nations in the world that consume green tea. It is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. These include improved brain function, fat loss, a lower risk of cancer, and many other impressive benefits. Green tea also dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the blood, which protects the LDL particles from oxidation, which is one part of the pathway towards heart disease. A study also claims that citizens who drank 5 cups of green tea a day had 26% lower mortality rate. Not only can green tea improve brain function in the short term, It may also protect your brain in old age. Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative disease in humans and a leading cause of dementia. Another study in 14,000 elderly Japanese individuals aged found that those who drank the most green tea were 76% less likely to die during the 6-year study period. 5. Obsession with cleanliness. For Japanese, cleanliness is as important as living, and they are disciplined for the same. Even their children learn to clean their surroundings in their schools, to be disciplined at a later age. So here is video on healthy type of fish. Just click to play.